welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to showing to you how to build up this sign-in page like that, how you'll design this glassmorphism sign-in page. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to design this. Okay guys, so let's go to the code without wasting of time. So this is my empty folder, so just click here in the Windows search box cmd try fair and just will write here code dot, then it will open just Visual Code Studio. So now I'm going to create this folder inside of my glassmorphism sign-in folder. First click I will create image folder, and inside of this I'm going to creating this another file, just index.html. inside of this code I'm creating another folder like that, CSS. Inside of the CSS just I'll create another file like that, style.css, and I'm going to create another folder like the JS folder, and inside of this JS folder just I'll create another file like that, script.js. So simply I'm going to start this in index.html code and try fair html.5, change this glassmorphism. Okay, okay guys, just inside of this heading tag, and in the here just I'm going to creating this connecting this style.css. just simply type here link and call this file name style.css. okay, so inside of the body tag just I will link up this JS file like that, script.js type here JS. okay, so this is our file link of inside of this style.css and JS folder inside of this script.js. okay, so here just I'll paste it another Google fonts awesome. I have to go to simply Google and type here Google font awesome, then you'll link up easily. okay, so now I'm going to start this index.html coding HTML markup style like that. At first I'm creating this container inside of container here just I will use it another form action, welcome, and it will show that exactly what happened in this form like that. This is container, and here is another heading tag like that. If you want like that, you will use it paragraph tag inside of this, then input button email, and here is form action. Inside of this form action you will use it paragraph, then input button and submit button, and another paragraph tag or heading tag, okay, as like you want. So this is basically our designing part. just I'll give this input will be just email, and here another I'll give this another placeholder equal email, and inside of this after this email, then it will be just input, then type will be password, and placeholder will be password, and simply finish this tag inside of this here. And another input button, like that it will be button, then name will be just, I don't need this name, but if you want to like this button, and ID will be just button, here will be just another tag like that value, then sign in, closing tag, finish this closing tag, here's the anchor tag like that, forgot password, inside of this from like that means inside of this container, just you'll give this another div like the drops drop on, and simply copy it and paste it here more times like that, 5, change it to 3 and 4, and last of number of 5. Okay, so just I'll refresh this browser, and what happened is, so basically this is our markup language, markup styling, and just I'm going to creating this style.css. So leave at this style, and here you see it, I call this class's name, so at first just I'll give this element of margin just like that 0, and it will be padding 0. This is the basically right way, and if you want to design very smooth, and call this your whole body and paragraph, and as like as you want, so design follow these steps. So background will be just a linear gradient, just height will be here in the 100, vertical, horizontal, and font family just I will use it Montserrat, insert, and here just I'll use it another like that sans serif. Okay, this is the basically use it in the many different website. So here I'll copy this and paste it here. Container position absolute transform translate minus 50% minus 50% inside of this like that container top will be just 50%, left 50%. Okay, then just I will give this from design section like that background RGB padding. Will show that background color just changing now, and this is our padding and margin will change. And just now I'm going to creating this from .p like that, this forum, and inside of this p paragraph tag forum paragraph tag. Simply I'll give this font white like that. Font white will be 70 or 500, and color like that, black, and opacity I'll give this opacity 0.6. Inside of this like that font size, and it will be just simply 1.5 rem. Margin top 0, margin bottom will be just 15 pixel, or I want more increase like that here, and 15 pixel. Text shadow will be just 2 pixel. Right left, right, and margin about top bottom 2 pixel side of this 6 pixel of, and I will give this just color. So guys, this is basically this is our design, and we'll show that this is our style.css code inside of this folder. Then drop 1, drop 2, and drop 3, and drop 4, drop 5. Okay, so this is the drop 1, drop 2, drop 4, drop 5. Okay, so this is the basically simply glassmorphism design. So if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel.